Sorry about that, guys. My phone just went into Google. So my phone just went into Google. So now we have 3 of these videos. Hopefully, this is gonna be. Yeah, this thing's still on fire. Oh, that's gonna blow that one up. That's not. Oh, that's Andy's. Go, 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 go.
It's a baby one.
That went loud and quick.
We got one more and that's it for sparklers.
Let's do 2 more
There's
fireworks.
a really teeny baby one. Look at this little baby one.
Let's do 2 more after this one. And then we'll save the rest for later. I mean, for tomorrow.
Here, this is all that's left.
No, we're not doing all of them. We're only doing 2 more after this one.
I don't know what the splashing fountain is.
I know what this one is here.
And this is all we have left.
So we will do these 2. We'll do this one and this one for the last 2, and we'll do the rest 3 tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna do these 2, and we'll save the rest for tomorrow.
I can buy you more tomorrow.
Oh, this thing's gonna blow up. I think it's not that bad to get too close.
Papa can buy new ones tomorrow. That's it for that. Bubba will buy. I'll buy new ones tomorrow.
We got 2 more. We're gonna do 2 more.
All right, then we'll do them, and I can buy you new ones tomorrow.
They smell smoky. Which one do you gotta do first?
Some of Royal Kings are really cheap. These are flashing fountains.
Let's do flashing fountain.
So we'll see what these flashing fountains have to do. But after I pick it for Grammy's house, maybe we can go to
Oh, a couple.
Royal King, pick that up.
Oh, those are just like little
Don't question.
fireworks. I'm not questioning anything. He said don't question.
Don't question.
Let's bring a light off first. Oh, we're
Let's see
gonna
what one does first.
This is not gonna do nothing. Just looks like fire. Watch out. Oh,
It's just a baby.
I lost my flip-flop.
Got it?
That's it for the sparklers. Until the sparklers get.
I mean, there's 3 more over there.
Look at that pink fire.
It's like pink, purple.
Right, that.
Yeah, don't touch them. Cool down because they're hot.
This one too. That red one. And we have 1 more after this, I think. Don't mess with it. There's an Amazon truck coming down. Okay. There's nothing did.
All right, done. We're done.
Let's do this one.
No, these are the same as the other ones. We'll save them for tomorrow, like you said. Papa, we'll stop at Royal King. I'll pick you up. We'll go to Royal King, get more.
Hold on, let's do another one. Let's do another one.
Oh, we got a bigger one there.
Oh yeah.
This is called hay fever.
Let's do
Hay fever is like,
Whoops.
come on. We'll get some more at Royal King tomorrow.
Like them 3 off. Them 2, them 3 off. And then we'll buy more, and then we get less to rest of them. Just wait till tomorrow's video, guys. I bet tomorrow's video is gonna be insane, everyone. Why light inside the box? Let's catch the box.
Till tomorrow.
Okay.
All right.
Oh. lot of smoke.
Beaver County boom. Now, Jim, we'll set up a Royal King tomorrow and Papa picks you up for
What kind of
Grammys.
smoke?
I never Grammy stuff. We'll get some more.
All right, guys, we're
You
gonna
want
do.
sparkler now?
Yeah, we're gonna do a sparkler and the video will end. Okay. We still got a
Yeah,
couple.
we'll get some more Royal King tomorrow. And I'll take that for Grammy's house.
Six.
Oh, that's his.
That's the Amazon man there, yeah.
I'm like, what in the hell is that?
Okay.
There you go.
I got to go hold away from me. I don't want to zoom in. Good bit.
We do have another fountain. We'll do this other fountain too.
You might as well do them all.
He just keeps wanting to do fireworks. Why your line is so close?
Yeah, watch. I don't want it like.
Holy crap.
Wow.
That was not epic.
Alright, that's it.
I need water after that.
Well, you can have some water. You can have some water. I'll give you another sparkler. We'll stop at Royal King tomorrow and Papa buy you some more.
Yeah, I just got a stupid pack.
Well, that's all they are. Even at Royal King, there's just...
No.
This is crazy.
Mm-hmm. At least we got to turn around the other way. Come over here and face that way. Come over here and then turn around and look that way. That way that smoke won't get in your eyes.
It's fine. It's fine.
No, come this way. Now turn around that way. There you go. See, that way the smoke goes that way. It's not going in your eyes. You got one more after that.
Sit that down right there.
That's all right. You can stay there. Yeah, but stay that way. That way. That way the smoke doesn't get in your eyes. The smoke goes that way. No, not over next Papa face. No, turn it back that way. That way the smoke don't go in your face.
Put this in here.
Look what I found on the ground.
I know, Darla. Yes, I do. What? Yes. I know where everything's at.
No, you don't.
What are you doing?
Oh, we got one more. It's a TNT dynamite.
Alright. Alright, so
And we'll get some more tomorrow when I pick you up at Grammy's house.
I'll tell you, I know that. I know that. You don't need to keep repeating it.
I know, I'm just telling you. Here.
Yeah.
That's just a little one too. That's it.
Look at that!
That was fun.
We're done till tomorrow.
Alright, I hope you're gonna. Alright, I hope you guys had a great day. Peace!